Have you ever helped everyone but forgot about yourself? Have you ever been there for others, but when you feel tired, no one noticed? This is the story of a man named Rohan who learned an important lesson about life and self love. Rohan lived in a small town near the hills. He was a simple man with a kind heart. He was not rich, but he was always ready to help. If someone was sick, Rohan visited them. If child need help with studies, Rohan taught them. If an old man needed company, Rohan sat and listened. People liked Rohan very much. They often said, Rohan is always there for everyone. But inside, Rohan was very tired. Every day, he woke up early to help others. He skipped meals, ignored his pain, and never rested. His small house was messy. The roof leaked and the walls were weak. Still, he said, I will fix it later. And later never came. One night, after helping a neighbor move heavy boxes, Rohan felt weak. His head was spinning and his body was shaking. Somehow he reached home and fell on the floor. For 2 days, Rohan stayed alone in his house. He waited. No one came. Everyone thought Rohan was busy helping someone else. On the third day, an old traveler passed by and saw Rohan near his door. He gave him water and said kindly, Why do you look so broken, my son? Rohan smiled softly and replied, I gave all my strength to others, but I forgot myself. The traveler nodded and said, You cannot carry others if you cannot stand yourself. You cannot give love if you have none left inside. Those words stayed in Rohan's heart. The next morning, Rohan made a choice. He cleaned his house. He fixed the roof. He rested when he felt tired. He started eating on time. In the evening, he sat quietly and watched the sky for the first time. He felt calm. People noticed the change. Rohan doesn't help like before, some said. Rohan smiled and answered, I still help, but now I take care of myself too. Slowly, Rohan became stronger and happier. He helped others when he could, but he no longer forgot his own needs. One day, a neighbor said, You taught us something important. Helping others is good, but caring for yourself is also necessary. Rohan smiled and said, When I respect myself, my help becomes better and pure. And so Rohan learned the truth. Loving yourself is not selfish. It is a start of a healthy and happy life. Remember, rest when you are tired. Say no when you need to. Love yourself first, because the world needs your strength, not your sadness.